find a spot to land here tonight. Driving up Rock Creek where, as you can see, the forest has all been burned down from last year's fires. We've got fresh new fire this year that's threatening the rest of the upper 138 there. But yeah, here's this. And hopefully I can find my pretty spot before it gets too pitch black outside. I don't like setting up camp at night, but at least I have an easy tent to pop up, huh? I'll get you out. This used to be a scenic national park area. Like beautiful. People come out here to have their weddings and such. It's so gorgeous. Yeah. Well, let's hope we have a real cool grassroots movement where people come out and plant the native trees back up.